We're only 2 months away from the end of 2025. Think about that for a second. An entire year, gone. Another 365 days that passed faster than you expected. You promised yourself this would be your year. You said you'd save more, invest more, learn more. But here you are again, asking the same question. Why does nothing really change? Listen carefully. The reason your financial life hasn't changed isn't because you're unlucky. Or because the world is against you. It's because you've been living on autopilot. Working hard, but not working smart. Surviving, not growing. But 2026 doesn't have to be another year of survival. It can be the year you break free. The year you finally build real financial power, not through luck, but through clarity, discipline, and smart moves. So in this video, I'm going to give you a complete, step-by-step plan to transform your financial life in just 1 year. 12 months that can completely rewrite your story. This isn't fantasy. This is strategy. And if you follow it with full commitment, 2026 could be the year you start walking the path to true financial freedom. Step 1, face the truth. Let's be honest, most people don't know where their money goes. They work all month, get paid, and 2 weeks later, it's gone. No savings, no investments, just bills and stress. You cannot change what you refuse to face. So before 2026 begins, I want you to do something uncomfortable. Sit down. Open your bank statements. Track every dollar. How much came in? How much went out? And most importantly, what did you buy that didn't move your life forward? Awareness is the first step toward control. When you see the numbers clearly, you'll finally understand why you're stuck. And more importantly, what needs to change. Step 2, create a system that serves you. Most people think budgeting means restriction. It's not. It's freedom. A good budget isn't about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to what actually matters. In 2026, I want you to live by one simple formula. 50/30/20. 50% for needs. 30% for wants. 20% for saving and investing. And here's the rule. The 20% comes first. Not last. You pay yourself before you pay anyone else. Automate your savings. Automate your investments. Because discipline becomes easy when it's automated. Imagine a version of yourself a year from now. Same income, but smarter systems. Money that used to disappear is now working for you. That's the power of financial structure. Step 3, destroy bad debt. Debt is slavery with a smile. It gives you what you want now, but steals from your future in silence. In 2026, you must declare war on bad debt. List every single one of them: credit cards, loans, payments. Start with the smallest. Crush it. Then move to the next. Each win builds momentum, and momentum builds power. And here's the truth. You don't need to pay off everything overnight. You just need to move forward, one payment at a time, without quitting. Because freedom isn't bought, it's built. Step 4, build multiple streams of income. Let me tell you something harsh. If you have only one source of income, you're one decision away from crisis. In 2026, that has to change. You need more than one way to make money. Start small. Freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, content creation, consulting, online teaching, or investing in income-generating assets. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Just start with what you know and grow from there. Every extra $100 you earn outside your main job isn't just money, it's proof that your freedom is expanding. And once you experience the feeling of earning money on your own terms, you'll never want to go back. Step 5, Invest consistently, not emotionally. The secret of the wealthy isn't that they make more money. It's that they make their money work for them. In 2026, I don't want you to chase hype or quick profits. I want you to build a long-term investment habit. Set aside a fixed amount every month. Whether it's $50 or $500, invest it automatically. Stocks, index funds, real estate, crypto, only if you understand it. Don't check prices every day. Check your habits. Because wealth is built not in the market, but in your consistency. Remember this. The market rewards patience, not panic. Step 6. Reprogram your mind for wealth. You can't build wealth with a poor mindset. You can't attract success while believing you don't deserve it. If your environment is filled with negativity, if your friends complain more than they act, you're being programmed for mediocrity. In 2026, your brain needs a new diet. A financial diet. Read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Millionaire Fastlane, Atomic Habits, Think and Grow Rich. Watch documentaries. Listen to podcasts that teach, not entertain. Fill your mind with people who talk about growth, not gossip. Because wealth is 80% mindset, 20% mechanics. If you grow your mind, your money will follow. Step 7. Master discipline. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. There will be days in 2026 when you won't feel like saving. You'll want to spend. You'll want to quit. That's when you remember this. Discipline means doing what you said you'd do. Long after the mood that made you say it has gone away. Every time you stay disciplined, you're proving to yourself that you are in control. Not your emotions, not society, not your habits. 1 year of strong discipline can change 10 years of regret. Step 8. Surround yourself with growth. You become who you spend time with. If everyone around you is broke, careless, and afraid to grow, guess what you'll become? In 2026, protect your circle. Connect with people who want more from life. People who talk about business, health, growth, and impact. You don't need to cut off everyone. But you do need to limit who influences your thinking. Energy is contagious. So make sure you're catching the right kind. Step 9. Build a vision, not just goals. Most people set goals like, I want more money. That's not a vision, that's a wish. In 2026, define what freedom really means for you. How much money do you need to feel secure? What kind of lifestyle do you want? How many hours a day do you want to work? Write it. Visualize it. See it daily. Because a clear vision pulls you forward, even when motivation fades. Step 10. Act like the person you want to become. Stop waiting to be rich to act like it. Start acting like a financially responsible person now. Track your money. Save before spending. Speak differently about money. Respect your time like it's gold, because it is. When your actions align with your desired identity, your reality will follow. It's not about fake it till you make it. It's practice it till you become it. Step 11. Reflect and adjust monthly. Every month in 2026, review your progress. Don't just set goals and forget them. Ask yourself, what did I earn this month? What did I save? What did I waste? What can I improve next month? Growth is built through reflection. You can't hit a target you never measure. Keep a financial journal. It'll become your roadmap to mastery. Step 12. Build legacy, not just income. By the end of 2026, your goal isn't just to have more money. It's to have more control. Control over your time, your choices, your lifestyle. Because wealth without freedom is just another form of prison. Start thinking beyond yourself. How can you help your family? How can you create opportunities for others? How can your money become a tool for impact, not just comfort? That's the real definition of wealth.